Toby's Homeschool Adventures. What will I learn today? Join me as I explore Zoo Miami. This is a throwback video to my Zoo Miami visit from back when I was just 4 years old. Off we go! Check out this adorable burrowing owl that came out to see us. Burrowing owls live in tunnels and holes on the plains and deserts of North and South America. Unlike most owls, burrowing owls tend to be more active during the day than at night. Their legs are long and adapted for running. They can hunt by air or on the ground. We also found a curious bald eagle. Next, I met a handsome blue macaw parrot. He was very smart and friendly. He sang the ABCs, crowed like a rooster, and even cried when it was time to say goodbye. Blue macaws like to eat seeds, nuts, and fruits. The last bird I met was this very hungry pelican. Joking aside, did you know some species of pelicans can live up to 30 years? And did you know pelicans can hold up to 3 gallons of water in their throat? Okay, now let's learn about some mammals. Let's start with these noisy and entertaining Siamang Gibbons. Siamang Gibbons are native to Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand, and boy are they talkative. They suck air into a sac in their neck, then use the air to make loud hooting calls. I like that. Up next, we're one of my family's favorite animals, otters. Otters are carnivores, which means they eat meat. They eat fish beginning with the head down to the tail. They use rocks and hard objects to crack open shells so they can eat the tasty meat inside. Despite their cute appearance, otters are quite aggressive. They've been known to kill and eat snakes. One of the most unique animals I met was an okapi. It was very shy at first, but soon it came out to say hello. Okapis may have stripes like zebras, but their closest relatives are actually giraffes. The keeper taught me a lot about these endangered animals. I learned that okapis are gentle herbivores, which means they like to eat plants, and I learned they prefer living alone in the African forests of the Democratic Republic of Congo. After meeting the okapi, we headed to the land down under, also known as Australia. How adorable are these New Guinea singing dogs that came out to greet me? Believe it or not, this is as big as these wild dogs will grow. And check out these tree kangaroos. Don't they look so cuddly? I entered their habitat to see them closer. I think they were as curious about me as I was about them. Tree kangaroos are herbivores that live in Indonesia, New Guinea, and Australia. I was so excited when I found out the last animal I'd meet was a koala. Koalas are picky eaters. They only like to eat from eucalyptus trees. Their fur feels thick to the touch. In some ways, it reminded me of sheep's wool. And with that, it was time to say goodbye to Zoo Miami. Until next time. Don't forget to check out parts 1 and 2 of my Zoo Miami series, as well as other fun learning videos on my channel. Thank you for watching Toby's Homeschool Adventures.